Give me one moment. Let me share the screen. We are continuing the lesson, chapter 6. Only a little left to be finished. Okay, there you go. And then let's do the role play for the conversation. It's still learning about how to express your wants and needs, especially for the situation that we're looking for a new apartment in this case. Okay, let's have some volunteers to do the conversation. And I need more of you guys to participate. That way we can learn together, okay? And then I can help with the knowledge that I have to make your pronunciation better, okay? It's a win-win situation, okay? So don't be afraid or feel embarrassed about that. Well, if you cannot do it, that's the process of learning new thing. Okay, when you learn something new, you will make a mistakes to be able to move forward. Okay, but that's just a process. Everybody is gonna go through that. Okay, now it's about how you have the courage to defeat that embarrassing feeling or scare or anything like that. Okay, that's nothing. Okay, you guys just need to throw away those kind of feeling when you're in my class. Okay, because here we're learning together. All right, to make ourselves better. All right, so now I'm gonna have a receptionist for the first conversation and the second one. Okay, I'm gonna have a Pichu for the receptionist, and then Ted the first only Ted for the first one, and the next one. All right, and then so receptionist and Ted are going to say two kind of conversation, and then I have Shirley. Okay, okay, hold on. Ted, I'm gonna have Farin for that. Okay, Pichu receptionist. I'm gonna unmute Pichu first. Okay, Pichu. You there? All right, there you go. Pichu, you're doing a receptionist. Good evening, Pichu.
Okay.
Okay, receptionist, two lines. Okay, two conversation. All right. And then Farin, I'm gonna have you do that.
Okay, Miss.
All right, and then Shirley, I have two also. Okay, until this. Okay, first blah blah blah. Okay, that is going to be for Nalita, please. And then good evening, Nalita. And then remember, okay, we're learning chapter 6 already. I need you guys to remember that, to visualize that you're talking right somebody in front of yourself. I need to hear the intonation up and down, anything like that. Okay, all right, you guys ready?
Okay, ready.
Go ahead.
Ready. Good morning. How can I help you?
I'd like to rent apartment in a neighborhood and wonder if you can help me.
You need to talk to Shirley. She's our go-to agent for apartment rentals. Here, I'll take you to her office.
Hello, I'm Sally. Have a seat and tell me what kind of apartment you are looking for. Is it just for you?
Well, that depends on what's available. I'd really rather live alone, but if I don't see anything that works, I could share a bigger place with a friend of mine.
Shirley?
Okay, first tell me what you have in mind.
Okay, perfect, guys. Okay, intonation is 80%. I'm gonna give you guys 80% already good. All right. Okay, just a little bit briefly to make the intonation. All right. Give you a
Okay.
quick example. Good morning. How can I help you? Okay, that's how when you hear the white. Okay, white. I mean say bule. Okay, when the white is say it's gonna be like that. Okay, just like when we watching on TV. Okay, like that. Do force yourself to speak as if you're them, like on TV, on the movie. All right. So give it out yourself. All right. Good morning. How can I help you? Like that. All right. Okay.
Okay.
But you guys doing great already. 80% is good. Just more intonation like that. So it's gonna be perfect for you guys. Okay. Thank you guys.
Okay. Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Welcome. All right. Now we have that. Now, okay. So we can keep it up. All right. That. Now I have that. That for Lily, and then Shirley. Okay, that this sentence here is pretty long. This the dialogue here is pretty long, so only for one that. Okay, Lily. Okay, and then Shirley, I'm gonna have two dialogues of Shirley for Angelina. Okay, for Angelina Wu. Angelina Wu is gonna do Shirley, this Shirley, and then the other dialogue. And then I have the other Ted here, the second dialogue of Ted for Brandon.
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening, Brandon. Okay, this is Angelina already, now Lily. Okay, there you go. Okay, guys, remember what I said to the first three people, all right? Let's do it.
The most important thing is the location. I want to be in the city, preferably in this neighborhood, so I can walk to the university and to the metro station. I don't have a car.
Okay, then you don't mind if there's no parking space.
Brandon?
Okay. Exactly, but I want to a secure building. Exactly, but I want a secure building. I also want it to have a living room, a dining room, one bedroom, and of course a modern kitchen and bathroom. I don't really need all the bells and whistles, but I would like to have a balcony.
And what is your budget? I mean, what monthly rent are you thinking about, including utilities?
Okay. Yes. Okay, that's finished right there. Okay. Let me review a little bit for you guys. Okay. Still flat for the intonation. Pronunciation is good. Now need more improvement on the intonation. All right. Okay. I'm gonna give you guys a little example. The most important thing is the location. Okay. Now, okay, then you don't mind if there's no parking space. Okay, and then another example, and and what is your budget? I mean, what monthly rent are you thinking about, including utilities? Okay, can, can you guys hear the intonation in my voice?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, I need you guys to practice like that. Okay, the way you're gonna get used to that. Okay, force yourself. Just like when we talk bahasa, same. It's just a different language. That's it. Intonation for all language supposed to be the same. Okay, I learned Mandarin and Spanish is still the same like that. The intonation, especially when you have the conversation like this. Okay, it's different when you have a passage to read. Then most likely the intonation is gonna be flat because you're reading it. Okay, when we're talking about conversation, okay, there is gonna be a intonation up and down like that for any language, I believe. All right, guys, need you guys to improve a little bit more. Okay, guys. All right, now for that. Yes, okay. Next week. Okay, there you go for that. This first dialogue and the second one, I'm gonna have. Okay. Okay. Where are the rest? Okay. All right, then I need to go back to you guys again, okay, because okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we have 5 people raising hands. Okay, I'm gonna have to go back to you guys because the other ones doesn't have the confidence yet to try. All right, guys, I'm gonna wait for you guys. Okay, just raise your hands. I'm gonna give you the chance to learn together with us. All right. All right, now I'm gonna have Ted for the first dialogue and the second one for Pichu, and then Shirley here for the first one. Okay, for Nalita. Okay. Sit, we're gonna do 3 dialogues first. Okay, and then Nalita. Okay, guys, I need you to be better, okay, than the first one. Let's try.
Ted first or Sally first, Miss?
Yes.
My turn, Miss.
Okay, Pichu, you're gonna do this, right? This Ted
Okay.
here, I'm
Okay.
Then
holding.
Sally, me.
Okay,
I'm
Ted
hoping
and
to
this
find
Ted.
something
Oh,
for about 700. I'm hoping to find something for about $700 a month.
Look, I can tell you right now, there are no decent apartments in this area under $1,200 a month. And none of them have dining rooms or balconies. There are modern, secure buildings that are actually near the metro, but they are at least 6 miles outside of the city.
Pichu.
There's no way I'm going to live way out there. Do you think you could find a 2-bedroom place closer in for, say, 1,400 a month? Something I could share with my friend?
Let me do.
Okay, that's enough. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
You're welcome. Okay, just a little bit. Okay, for Nalita, okay, this,
Yes.
okay, there are modern.
There are modern.
Okay, there you
Okay.
go. And then secure buildings, there are actually,
Secure buildings, there are actually.
yes, that's how you pronounce it. Okay, and other than that, it's perfect. All right.
Thank you, Miss.
Welcome. Pichu. Okay, look, this word here, okay, 2-bedroom place closer in for, okay, closer in is actually considered as one word, okay? Okay, and then
Okay.
for, you know, when you say for, closer in for is like price, like I said, for is like the price, say, you know, when the say here means it's example, so it means do you think you can find a, bisakah saya menemukan apartemen dengan dua kamar yang dekat sini, and then harganya seperti like that, seperti kira-kira 1.400 a month, like that. Okay, that's what it mean. Okay, so when you say closer in for, say, like that, okay, there is an intonation
Okay.
in between, okay, like that, intonation in between those one. Okay,
Okay.
and other than
Closer
that,
in for
yes,
say
yes,
1,400 a month.
yes, exactly, yes. We barely heard when people use this say, okay, in here, in our country maybe, but when we what do you call, when we socialize with the whites, they're gonna say that a lot. Say, not example, we don't say that, okay, say, but it means the same. All right, okay,
All right.
other than that is good. All right,
Thank you.
thank you. Next, I have a long dialogue of Shirley. Let's have Linda, huh? Let's have Linda do that. Okay. And then let me do this. Let me see. One moment. Linda for Shirley, and then I have Ted. Okay. Ted for Desmi. Okay, you guys gonna finish this conversation, all right? Shirley, okay. Linda here. Linda. Okay, Desmi first, all right?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, who's speaking? Linda?
Linda.
All right, Linda. I'm gonna have you do Shirley, this dialogue, and then all the Shirley finish up to the end, all right? You're gonna
Okay.
take over that, and then I have Desmi do that to the end. Okay, you guys ready? Time is yours. Intonation, okay, guys?
Okay, Miss.
Okay,
Let
let's do
me
it.
do a little research this morning and see what I can find. I'm not going to tell you that it's impossible, but I can't promise anything either. Give me a couple of hours to see what's out there. If I find anything worthwhile, we can go have a look this afternoon. In the meantime, I need you to fill out this form so I have your contact information. As a matter of fact, both you and your friend will have to fill out an application in order to be approved as tenants. I'm assuming you want a 1-year lease. Is that all right? Oh, one more thing. You don't have a pet, do you?
Yes, I'm willing to sign a 1-year lease, and no, I don't have a pet. And I'll make sure my friend gets rid of his dog. He can live with his family. They have a place in the country. I'd better now. Hello.
Next, Linda.
Good. Be sure
Hello.
Hello?
Desmi.
Good. Be sure both of you bring your financial and credit information with you.
Desmi.
Right. We'll see you. Yes. Right. We'll see you at noon then. Thank you very much.
See you later.
All right, guys. Okay. Okay. Just a little pronunciation I heard earlier. Give me one moment to check it out. What was it? Okay, the one I heard was Linda. Linda, this Linda.
Yes.
I'll make sure.
Um,
And this, and I'll make sure, my friend. This is make sure. I'll make sure. Can you repeat it?
Oh, this is me. That is me.
Linda
Oh,
Shirley.
sorry.
Shirley.
Oh, sorry. Okay, okay. That's me. Was it that's me doing that?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Go ahead. Okay, that's me. I'll make sure.
Sure.
Yes.
I
No,
make
sir. Okay.
sure.
Yeah, I'll make sure. Yes. Okay. Perfect.
I
And
make
then
sure.
yes. Okay. And other than that, you're doing great. Okay.
Thank you.
Linda, I heard. Let me see.
Teman.
Which one? Okay. Let me. I forgot. So what else?
Assuming and tenan. Estenan and assuming.
No, it was. Sebenarnya, I think it's good. I think they're all good. Like just one thing that you miss, I think. Is that right? You said, is that all right?
Oh, is that right?
Yes. Okay, that's one thing I remember for sure. Okay. I know this is pretty long, okay? Maybe you don't think people is gonna say that long, right? But it is in fact you're gonna say that long, just as if like when we're talking bahasa to somebody, just keep on going, so, and then at the end it's just a long
Yeah.
dialogue, okay? Other
Okay.
than that, going great. All right, thank you, Linda. All right, guys. Now, work base done. We'll continue our exercise. Is 6.6. Okay, for the information. I remember I already told you guys to get ready for this. It's gonna be fun. All right, 7. Okay, we did that. That's 6.5 already. Now this is our last exercise of the chapter. That's gonna be exercise 6.6. Okay, okay. Okay. So this answer is gonna be different for everybody. All right. Just I need you to answer this in a complete sentences. Okay. For example, what do you want to accomplish in the next 5 years? Okay. I want to accomplish I want to accomplish blah 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 in the next 5 years. All right. Okay. And then, or you can just say I will accomplish. Instead of saying that, you can say I want to in the next 5 years I want to blah 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 accomplish blah blah blah. Okay. You can use the time in the beginning of the sentence or at the last of the sentence. All right. Once you try this. Okay. Great. I got some. Okay, number 1, I'm gonna have this PME. If I pronounce that right, all right. Hopefully.
Hello, good
Hi,
afternoon,
is
Miss.
it PME?
Imeng.
Oh,
Sorry.
PME.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So what do you want to accomplish in the next 5 years?
Maybe in the 5 year.
Oh no, you don't say maybe, okay? I want. So
Oh,
you
yes,
say,
okay.
sure.
I am planning in the next 5 years. I want to around the world. If I
Go around the world.
yes,
Yes,
like
okay.
that. Okay.
Okay. Now, okay. Give me one moment. Let me write it down. So, mm,
Enough, Miss?
do you have anything else that you want? You can try make the sentence. I'll help you. Okay. Okay. You say, I want to
Yes.
go travel around the world. Around the world in the next 5 years. Anything else?
I want to go travel around the world in the next 5 years.
Okay, there you
Yes,
go.
like that.
Okay. Okay, that's it. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. And then
Thank you very much, Miss.
it's gonna be a reality. Okay, believe in
Okay,
that.
okay.
Okay,
Thank
thank
you. Yes.
you. Next, I have Friska. Okay, Friska, let's do number one also.
Good afternoon,
What do you
Miss.
want to What do you want to accomplish? Hi, in the next 5 years, Friska.
Accomplish mean what, Miss?
Excuse me, can you speak louder or maybe closer? It's kind of like
Okay, okay.
further away. Your voice is
Arti dari accomplish apa, Miss?
accomplish mencapai apa pencapaianmu, apa tujuanmu, apa yang ingin kamu capai.
Oh, okay, Miss. Uh, I want to be
Say in Indonesia.
okay, okay. I want to be can speak English fluently.
Oh, okay. Okay. Is that what you're trying to say?
Yes,
Bisa berbicara
berbicara
bahasa
Inggris
Inggris
dengan lancar.
secara lancar.
Yes, Miss.
Oh, okay. Okay, don't, okay, I'm gonna help you translate it in the right sentence, okay? Okay, I want to be able to speak English fluently, just like what? Okay? Okay, let's do it. Priska, read it for yourself.
I want to be able to speak English fluently, just like the whites.
Perfect. Okay, that's how you say. Easy. Okay?
Okay.
Anything else?
Mm,
Okay, thank you. Okay, next. What do you need to do to reach your goals? Okay. Now, after you have your plan, what you want to accomplish in the next 5 years, of course, you have to be able to reach that plan, then you need to do something right now, right? Okay. You cannot just plan, make a good plan, but you have no efforts, nothing to do right now. Then that's gonna stay, plan is gonna stay a dream. Okay. So now think of what you plan. Okay. Okay, because these two on the top, the accomplishment was they were said by different person. So now for you, okay, let me see. Let me see who's gonna do this first. Give me 1 sec. Okay, this Angelina. Okay, now Angelina,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Angelina. So this number 2 is actually the question related to number 1. Okay. Now let's say you think of what your goals, your plan, what you want to accomplish. Maybe
I
next
want
year
to
or next. Okay.
I want
Okay.
to buy a bigger house, so I need to save money and look for extra income.
Oh, okay. There you go. Okay. Okay. Let's see. So, what do you want? What do you need to do to reach your goals? Okay, because your plan was to buy a bigger house. So, what do you need to do? I
I need to save money and look for extra income.
okay. I need to save more money. And what did you say?
Look for extra income.
Oh, okay. Don't look, okay, when you have income that and then I need to I need to make when money you making money, okay? The verb that we use for money is making money, okay? I need to you first, of course, you have to make more money first, right? After you make more money, then you can save. So we're gonna use that, okay? This is how I'm gonna suggest you to say, I need to make more money to be able to save. I need to make more money to be able to save more in order to buy a bigger house. Okay, that way you can say everything.
I need to make more
Okay,
money
this
to
is
be able to save more money in order to buy a bigger house.
there you go. Okay, that way you say your goals and also what you need to do it. Okay. Okay. Perfect. Okay, and then I hope you can reach that soon. Okay. Thank you. Second. Okay. This to buy. This is one. To buy. Okay. What else now? All right. Now let's continue to number 3. Okay. What are you required to do? Maybe if you already work, then what are you required to do at work? Okay. If you're a housewife, then what are you required to do at home? If you're a student, then what are you required to do at school? Okay. Let's have Lily. Okay.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Hi, what do you do?
I'm a housewife.
Oh, okay, then what are you required to do at home?
Hmm,
Do you need to cook? Need to help your kids doing homeworks? Or maybe
I want to
Indonesian, you can mix it.
I want
Cleaning the
to
house.
practice
This is
more.
no one, okay? Because this is, okay, excuse me. Because number 3, we're talking about number 3. What are you required to do at home? Jadi bahasa Indonesianya begini. Apa yang harus kamu kerjakan di rumah sebagai ibu rumah tangga? Nah, gitu. Nah, terjemahannya gitu ya.
Every day I cook for family.
Okay, so you just say, what are you required to do? I need to cook for the family. Okay. Okay, so when somebody asks in using the require to, that is answer you can use either I am required to cook, or you can also use I need. Okay, but most of the time we use need. Okay, especially for home like that, it is not like you're really like 100% have to cook. Sometimes we buy from we eat out, so it's not like 100% required. All right. Okay, thank you.
Welcome, Miss.
I need to cook for the family. All right. Next. Let's see if we have any new student who's interested. All right. Let's have Desmi. Desmi. All right,
Yes.
Desmi, what do you do?
I am I'm an employee.
Oh, okay. Okay. So, what are you required to do at work?
I need to do to finish my test on time.
Be more specifically. Okay,
Hello?
well, of course. What kind of task? Bookkeeping, programming.
Okay. I need to
selling.
maybe be bookkeeping.
Oh, okay. So, okay.
Yeah.
I need, okay, so do you prepare a trial balance sheet? Accounting?
Yes.
Yes, okay, all that. So that's the monthly report, right? Or weekly? Once a month, right?
Yes. So I need to,
So
I need to finish my monthly, to finish my monthly report on time.
There you go. Okay. My
monthly report on time.
Reports. It's more than one, huh? Right? On time. Okay. Okay, I need to finish my monthly reports on time. Okay, there you go. All right, thank you. Okay, next. Number 4. What do you have to do this week? What do you have to do this week? Let's have Linda.
Yes, Miss.
Hi, Linda. What do you have to do? What do you have to do this week?
I have to make a jelly birthday for my niece.
Oh, okay. I have to make a jelly, a birthday jelly.
Oh yeah,
Is
birthday
it
jelly.
jello? Okay, a
A
birthday.
birthday jelly for my niece.
You mean jelly agar-agar ya?
Iya,
Puding.
agar-agar.
Oh, yang kecil-kecil ya?
Yang besar.
Oh, yang gede.
Ya.
Oh, okay. Then, okay, I have to make a birthday.
Birthday jelly cake maybe.
Cake. Pudding.
Iya, puding. Jadi kayak
Birthday
puding.
pudding.
Ah.
Birthday pudding.
Oh, puding.
Yes.
Birthday pudding for my niece.
Yes, for my niece. Nice. Okay, there you go. I have to make a birthday pudding for my niece. All
Yes.
right, perfect. Okay, thank
Thank
you.
you.
Next, let's have Priska.
Yes, miss.
What do you need to do this week?
I would like. Oh, this week.
What do you have to do this week?
I have to wash my car.
Okay, I have to wash my car. Okay, there you go. Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Thank you, miss.
Next, we have number 5. What would you like to do this weekend? Pichu,
Yes, Miss.
what would you like to do this weekend?
This weekend, I would like to go to Pangandaran.
All right, there you go. Okay, yeah. I'd like to go to Pangandaran this weekend. Okay, perfect. Okay. All right. Have fun. Okay, thank
Okay,
you.
thank you.
All right. Now, let's have Farin.
Yes, miss.
What would you like to do this weekend?
I would like to do exercise.
Okay.
I would like to do exercise
All right.
in the morning.
I'm sorry.
In the morning.
In the morning this
Yes.
weekend.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. I'd like to do exercise this weekend.
Yes.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, miss.
All right. Let's have one more. Nalita,
Yes, miss.
what would you like to do this weekend?
I would like to have my me time.
Oh, okay. Such as, okay. I'd like to enjoy
How to enjoy
my me time.
me time.
All right. Okay.
Thank you,
Have
miss.
fun. Okay,
Thank
bye.
you, miss.
Okay, you're welcome. All right, number 6. What chores do you not mind doing? What chores do you not mind doing? Okay, let's have Rizka. What chores do
Yes,
you
miss.
not mind doing?
What meaning of the chores, miss?
Okay, chores is it's a household routine task such as cleaning up, and then vacuuming, and then washing dishes. Okay.
Pekerjaan rumah tangga, Miss.
Yes. Excluding cooking. Cooking doesn't consider as chores. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay. What chores do you not mind doing?
I jadi jawabannya I'm not mind doing.
Remember, okay, this is used do.
Okay.
Okay, so your answer is
I do not mind doing vacuum because I have the allergy of dust.
Okay, hold on. You repeat again, please.
I do not mind to doing vacuum because I allergy of dust.
Oh, okay. Okay. Ini kan pertanyaannya begini. Pekerjaan rumah apakah yang kamu tidak keberatan lakukan?
Oh, tidak keberatan, bukannya tidak suka melakukan.
It's when somebody say I do not mind means saya tidak keberatan. So mean you loves it. You love to do it, right?
Sorry, I misunderstand of the meaning.
Okay, let's try it again.
Okay. I do not mind to clean the kitchen every day.
Oh, okay. Okay, I don't mind. Okay, sorry. I don't mind to clean the kitchen every day. Okay, perfect. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Welcome, Miss.
All right, next, let's have Angelina.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, what chores do you not mind doing?
I do not mind to wash my father's car.
Can you repeat? Wash
Wash
what?
my father's car.
Oh, your father's car?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, okay. All right, let's see. I do not mind to, yes, to wash my father's car. All right, perfect. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, let's have Lily.
Yes, Miss.
What chores do you not mind doing?
I don't mind to wash our clothes.
Oh, okay. Wash the clothes. Okay, means I don't mind to do the laundry. Okay.
I don't mind to do the laundry.
Yes, I don't mind to do the laundry. Okay. So when you do laundry, that's including washing, ironing, folding it. All right,
Okay,
the whole
Miss.
thing. Okay, thank you. All right, guys. I think that's the end of the chapter, the exercise also. Okay. Now we only have 9 minutes left. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys opportunity to maybe you guys have any question regarding this chapter. Okay, any question that you want to ask me so I can let's discuss together. So make sure that you guys understand about this chapter. Okay, this chapter is the shortest one, so it has less than usually we have like 8 exercises, but this chapter is only consists of 6 exercises. All right, so anybody have any questions? Okay, all the one raised hands has question for me. All right, let's start. Okay, let me see. Nalita. Okay,
Yes, Miss.
you have any question about this chapter, Nalita?
Wait, Miss.
Yes.
What do you have to do this week?
Oh no. Okay. No, I mean, do you understand what we've been learning for this chapter?
Oh, yes, Miss.
Okay. Okay. So everything clear for you?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, perfect.
Clear.
Okay. Thank you. All right. Now, this raising hand is me.
Yes, Miss.
You have questions about
Until
this chapter?
no, I understand.
Okay, because your hand is still raising, so I wonder. All right,
Oh,
perfect. Okay,
thank you, Miss.
Friska,
Yes, Miss.
you have question?
Yes, I still confused with the word heads up.
Oh, heads up. Okay,
How we can use it in the conversation and the more detailed explanation, Miss.
all right. Okay, let me open this my Bible here. All right, it's heads up. It's like kasih tahu saya apa ya bahasa Indonesianya ya? Uh, okay, give me 1 second. Kasih when you're gonna do something and then involving that person, then okay, let's say you're gonna invite your friends to your house, right? And then your mom is the one who's gonna get the food ready for the for you and your friends. Then your mom is gonna say, okay, you're gonna say, Mom, I'm gonna invite my friends tomorrow. Okay, but you only say tomorrow. You don't tell her exactly the time and how many person, right? So that your mom is gonna say, okay, give me a heads up. Okay, so give her more information and then exactly the apa ya bahasa Indonesianya ya, bahasa Indonesianya kasih tahu saya sebelumnya. Nah, okay, so here, okay, heads up is a warning that something is going to happen, so the other person will be ready. Okay,
Okay.
yes, so you're gonna give, okay, because the food that she gets ready for the party when you're inviting your friends is gotta be enough for them, right? And then gotta be on time. So if you just say, I'm gonna invite my friends tomorrow, then she doesn't know how many people to be fed, and then what time the food has to be ready, correct? So she's gonna say, okay, give me a heads up. Okay, and then you can also say like this, okay, I'm going to visit my I'm going to visit you grandma next month, give me a heads up. Kasih tahu saya jadi bisa saya persiapan begitu, kalau bahasa Indonesianya panjangnya begitu ya.
Okay.
Okay,
Be
so
prepare. Be prepare, ya, Miss.
I'm sorry.
Be prepare.
Be prepared. Yeah, so they can prepare. Okay.
Okay, Miss.
Okay.
Thank you.
Clear?
Clear enough, Miss.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Welcome, Miss.
Next, I have Pichu. Pichu, question?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. What's your question?
I think there is no question, Miss.
No question? Clear?
Clear.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so whenever the question come up in your mind, you can just ask during the class. All right. All right. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, guys. So there's no question, and then the chapter is already ending. So I think we're just gonna end this class for today, and then next week we'll continue with chapter 7. There you go. Making requests and offers, and then the conversation is helping a classmate. All right. Need you guys to practice, okay? Be any one of here. So you can just practice yourself. Hey, buddy, can I ask for your favor? Sure. What can I do for you? All right. Practice that with yourself. Okay. That way you can improve your pronunciation. Okay. It's pretty short, huh? The conversation is pretty short. Okay. For the chapter, but the explanation of the okay, of the sentences, of words, everything is quite a lot. All right, so I'll see you guys next week, I guess. All right.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you. Okay.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you,
Bye.
guys.
And stay healthy. All right.
Thank you.
Bye.
You too.
Bye. See you.
Bye,
Thank you,
guys.
Miss. See you next
Bye,
week.
guys.
Bye.